We are trying to take you guys on a tour to the people. My virgin, Nachilus. Yeah man, I tour out there today. As I said before, it was a lot of rain all day, so that's the main reason why I don't get, you know, some epic part. Here's swag one people. Nice size one man.
Alright people, here we go going. Because the battery there way down and low, so I go make you see how I go fry it and all of that. I go cut the video. So now if you stay tuned, make certain you stay tuned to catch the next video when I fry and cook.
I bless you, love it tonight, man Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ SWICKED vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burner we got.
Yeah, my beautiful people, as you can see, fishy days, people. Yeah, man, sorry, we not gonna get to see when I scale them and all of that. But stay tuned. We'll leave a rain and fall. I don't know how I get to fry them, but stay tuned and see how I'm gonna work it out in idea. You see me? See them people. Looking great. Some of them small, but you know, some nice size one inside here, people. That's the vibes. So stay tuned. I don't know if I go fry them. I don't know how I do them yet, but stay tuned for that one, people. Make sure you leave a comment. If you never yet click the notification bell. Go over there and do the right thing right now, people. Yeah, people, put some seasoning on it, you know. So I was 13, you know. Yeah, people. Use the knife and stir it, you know. Do you remember that one is sponsored by Pepper Brain Music? You see it? Yeah, man. People, make sure you go over there, go check out Pepper Brain Music and do the right thing. Subscribe, like, and share. Make you know, say DJ SWICKED vlogs, you know, over there, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Camera, the battery run down still, so. You see what is what. I know me can, you know, fix things best. So, you know, nice pretty looks, people. You see what I'm going. You can see say seasoning, see down like that is it. I'm a lie. Ratam.
Yeah, my beautiful people. There's a fish and there's a hot tile. Yeah, man, so stay tuned for the epic part, you know. Tilapia going up pot, people. Top wicked people. Yeah, people, as I can see. Yeah, man. I'll go on terrible. Let's see that. Just stay tuned, my people. I'm there trying to make this video possible, you see me? Yeah, man, there go and do it, my people. You know what I mean? Fire red. Yo, fire red, my people. Red fire, people. Yeah, man, that is it, so. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Fish a fry up here, no one else sitting there. Yeah, so you know that is that, my people. Catch and cook style, you know. Yeah, man. Big up all of my beautiful viewers and my beautiful subscribers then. Make sure you start like up the channel, you know, my people then. Yeah man, start me writing right now, my people. Man, start like up the channel right now, my people. Yeah man, right now people start leave your comment. Tell me what you think about the good old tilapias then in the pot there, you know? Yeah man, that is that. You see it? Yeah man. Talk truth, man. There me they are deep, man. Catch and cook style, you know. Yes, no man. That is it. DJ SWICKED vlogs in the meds. You know the thing going up, people. Can't get no better than this. You see it? Yeah, man. Do it, we are do it. Right now, me say the fish man go get heat. Inna the pot, them a fry well crease. Yes it. Yo, yeah, this style in the man. Trouble. You better know. Trouble in the place, people. Pot a bubble, it a bubble. And the fish in a trouble. The pot a bubble, it a bubble. And the fish in a trouble. Yo, may I tell you? The one here go sweet. Oh, teeth not rotten though, you know. But the one here go sweet, people. Butter fry, I hear that, people. No joke. This is ain't no chicken or no pork. Fry fish over here, people. People, make we see if they can take a turn, no? Well, can turn, people. Them pretty color the people. Talk truth, no man. That is that. Great pretty color, I said that is that. You see that? See them pretty color the people. Fish don't look too bad, don't it? Yeah. Good old tilapia, you know, people. You know the thing go. Out here we call them river purge. Yeah man. So we do it out here, you know. Everybody have a different name, you see it? Yeah man. Watch you look at them, people. Watch you look. Oh you look, people. Talk to me, man. Make sure you leave a comment and tell me what you think about these fried fish. Yes, no man. That is that. No man. Well crispy, you know, people. Yeah man, that is that. Yard style. You see me? Yeah man, talk truth, no people. Alright, my people, me I drop you some more again. You see me? That is that, you know, people. You know the thing of people, the ball game different from the side and a DJ SWICKED vlogs. Yeah man. DJ SWICKED vlogs in the house, people. Do the thing the right and proper way. Some nice crisp fish. You see me? Then you don't know. You just chew up all bone, you chew up, you know, well fine. You see me I deal with? Yeah, my people, man. So don't worry about it, people. They are going to do the right thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. We fry up some swimmers, people. As I can see the beauty of them two people. Yeah, man. The beauty of them alone. Until I say, yeah, man, come and eat me now. Yeah, now. Yes, people. Talk truth, no, man. Can't get no better than these people. Can't get no better than this, my people, man. Catch and cook style. Jamaican style. Tell you how the thing go, you know, man. Yeah, man, anyway, them good food you cook me have to swing go, you see it? That is that. Talk truth, no people. Yes, man. You're out here, man. Without fear, you know what I mean? Talk truth, man. Talk truth. You know smell the pot, people? You know you smell it, man. You know you smell it, you know, don't you smell it? Hi. Yeah, man, we do you smell it.
Nice golden look my people both sides. Nice golden look people. Yeah man, crystal clear. The fish and the people looking nice. Yeah man, everything looks same. Yeah, that is it my people. Then when you have something you have to do it properly. And then you know what I mean.
My one dad.
People.
My one dad.
They are trading this, you know. Special delivery, you know. All these pretty looking fish people. Yeah man, that is that. Well, Chris and nice people. Don't know them say fine fish have bone, you know, so you don't know we do them crispy. Yeah man, you grind up bone and you done with that, you see me? You know the thing going on people, our thing govern, you know man. Yeah people, you know, so patient, you have to get everything working the way there, you know, don't. Yeah man, that is it people. As you can see. Patient is the key, look. You see? Yeah, you can see, say, I don't know nothing fake, look. Yeah man, lift it up when I see him looking on the next side, people. Don't know no man. Chef will always be a chef still, you know. That is it, you know, people. My daughter and I background people, you know. Yeah, style already, so. Can't run from that people. She responds to you also. See people. Looking beautiful same way. Alright, that is that. Nice, beautiful color. Nice, beautiful color, my people. These small rockfish that call them mudfish over on full side, but in some other parish and call them rockfish, you know. You don't know them things, so you know, we are just eat and just work with the flow side speed, don't it? Yeah man, so you know what that is, that my people. And we have to try to do the right, you know. See? There's this couple of them like fishy days people. Yeah, man says he say if you're lazy, you're not gonna have food people. But once you're hard working, you're gonna have food, don't you? Yeah man, that is that man. Pick up on the water. Alright, now wait till it's done. Alright, nothing wrong with that people. Yeah my beautiful people. Some plantain them here me a fry. See me have fish there so. Yeah man, so me have some more plantain there for fry my people. So no worry about it man. They are going to do the right thing, active you know. Yeah man. You can see them plantain here. Fry well alright, no burn up no nothing, just nice pretty color. You know what I mean? Yeah man. To fry, we just make them stay and fry, you know. You know the beauty of them going. Yeah my people across the world watching, make sure you leave a comment, tell me what you think. You know what I mean? Yeah man, keep your thing positive still, you know. You don't know how DJ SWICKED vlogs deal with it over here, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah man, as Bushman would say, fire burn a weak heart, you see it? Yeah man. Burn we are burn out week out, you know, people. Yeah, man, so no negative comment over upon them side, you know, be a positive thing there. Do the right every time, you know. Yeah, man, people, remember me say, a good while now me there, toes nodding, you know, so people. Yeah, man, take time, move me upwards, you know. Yeah, man, so me can clock. Go up to 5K and one, you know. Start head upwards. Cause you don't see determination from the other day. I kinda sick out still. You know. Kinda left me with a little piece of coal and thing, but don't know, we give God thanks, you know, over there. I have life same way. Appreciate everything that God have done for us, because without him, don't know nothing couldn't be possible, you see it? Yeah, man, so we can't live without Almighty God. So people, continue do your right thing, man, as me there, continue do your right, you know. Yeah, man. So continue like up the channel, my people. Continue show no love as me there. Try do your right thing to you, see it, beautiful people. You know that is some rice me there steam, my people. Yeah, man, so right now, people, I put in a little salt in my pot already. Right now, I apply some oil to it, you see it? Yeah, that kind of get a little flavor when it finish cook. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Don't know the thing of my people. I have little fried plantain, I have fried fish, I have little rice and I steam. And I'm gonna make up little gravy one at a time. So stay tuned for all of that, my people. Yeah, man, you know the thing, DJ SWICKED vlogs out here. I don't know me, I do the right thing. Prepare up some food for you guys, you know. You know, but as you can see, me now no whole heap of seasoning. But me have couple carrot here, and me have piece of ginger, people. So you don't know. Yeah, man, as me say, I make a little sauce thing for the rice. You see me? You don't know the thing, but I just go have the fish dry. I don't think I go put them in the sauce, so I go make though. You see it? Yeah, man, but stay tuned, my people. More sharp, then I go scrape them off pretty nice. So you go see how them look. You notice how them look now? Alright, so stay tuned and see how them look when we finish prepare them, okay? We'll take a look at them, people. Tell me how them look. Them look clean and pretty, you know? Yeah, man, we gonna dice them, you know, nice and sweet. You know what I mean? Going on my sauce. So them look nice and nice, people. As you can see. Yeah, man, carrot them well diced officially. You see it? Yeah, man, so stay tuned for the sauce, my people. Yeah, man, as me there, I go and do it the right way, I go and organize. And, you know, here's the rice, people. Rice that I go and take in time of doing thing, you know. Yeah, man, that is that, people. So me there, my people, I take time to do my thing, you know. I throw in them in I pot for go and get a little steam. Little steam first, you know that way there? Yeah, so people stay tuned for that. I give them a little steam cook. Then I add in the water to the pot. See me, I don't know if I the same way you guys do your own. But more flavor, more all about. I see me some more there. Vegetable kind of get a little steam cooked up. All that flavor going right in the gravy and everything, you know. So, stay tuned, we're saying no whole heap of pepper or something. So you don't know, me have to try see the flavor from the ginger and the carrot. As you can see, me have the water. And then I go and get in little cook. You see me? Yeah, man, did I cook Fanta. Yeah, my beautiful people. I apply the ketchup to it, you know. You know what I mean? That is it, my people. Apply some ketchup to it. people. As you can see, apply some ketchup to it. Yeah, man, you can smell the ginger flavor and it applying some sugar. Yeah, people. Nah, eat too much. You know the thing already, so people. Yeah, man, this one is gonna be a buzz, my people. Apply a little more ketchup, you know. Yeah, so that is that right now. Locking down, making go on, doing one thing. We check back on it a little more from this. Right, people? Make we check back the pot and see what I go and see, man. Yeah, man, notice how the sauce look, people. You have a ginger flavor. You can smell one ginger fragrance that come out type. You know what I mean? So I guess it's gonna be a banger, people. You notice how it look? Yeah, man, people. Gonna be nice, people. You can see it. Yeah, man, nice rich gravy, people. So man, when I make gravy, I have to make it nice that people can full jar it. So yeah, man, so me do it, you know, people. So me I make him go down a little more, then I take him off, you know. Yeah, man, as me tell you before, me give carrot and like a steam cook. So I know how that go. As you can see, people, I'm ready to come off now. You see it? Rich and nice. Yeah, that's so great if you look, you know. So I'm learning now, people. Fishy days, people. Yes. I mean. The man's a big one, yeah? The thing go, people. Yeah, next nice size and fishy days. Fix up myself, you know. Know the thing up, people. Settings are well nice, you know, people. You know the thing up. Yeah, man. Fishy days, people. Plantain and rice, people. Can't get no better than that. Yeah, man. Little princess. Right now, you have to go carry food, make mommy pick out your fish here. Man, mommy have to go pick out your fish here, boo. Yeah, people, you know, we active, you know, we have consume food, you know, so Yeah, man. Whole heap of food. Right now, too, me anxiously want to eat. Me I tell the people. Yeah, man, just continue like, share, and comment. You see me? Yeah, man, if you never yet click the subscribe button yet, go and do the right thing right now, people. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing of people. Active. Yeah, man, you see the turnout. Yeah, man, you know we know if you do a thing, you know, people. No joke. This is ain't no chicken or pork. Do it, no, man. Active. Nah, John, the food them with no gravy, people. Don't know. Fix up the plate them nice, see me. Little princess one this. Yeah, see it. Some more gravy for my one because me the man I love my gravy. That is that, people. Boy, peeps, I'm saying, sort of a piece of ginger flavor there. No, sir. Food nice. Matter. Catch and cook. Matter. That one, yeah, is a banger, people. One, yeah, shot. No joke. Peeps. May I tell them, I want to see you. And I'm a vibe. Food nice, man. Pound of nice, this year. Can't get no better on this, people. Catch and cook style.